So this is my Simple Dimple. It's a type of puppet, and it's also a little fidget spinner. Next, have a little unicorn puppet. Like pop, pop, and pop, pop. And this is my wacky track. It can face any direction. Oh, and when it breaks, you can snap it back on together. So you don't have to worry if it breaks. Next, we have a pot tube. When you scrunch it back together, look how satisfying it is. And I got a lot of more of them. They all glow in the dark. And next, I got this. I got this from Five Below. It's really cool. It's an ice cream puppet. And it's yellow, blue, and purple. Next, this is a dog, and it's a puppet. Yep. And we have another puppet, which is, it's a whale. So satisfying. And next, have a football, squishy. Then our ginormous one. It's a ginormous unicorn puppet. So relaxing when you do this. And that was it.